Okay, FM 101.7.
Honorable Collins also amankwa MP for Manshia North. Na ye ne no entwetwe nkobo. Mira memwache.
Ye nua brakwame.
Na boko de.
Yakopo adomo.
Na
Okay, FM.
ba ko a me busa won se akina ye ne ankase ewura. Ebra ye nyina ya de nyina eja se kwam despot. Nyame de na beduma santene Ghana ma nyina akina ye de bebe akina nso no ebia na akwanya no amam ya nye hio. Enti se na wo ka de di nkan kura.
That's it. Brakwame, ma memfa akwanya so na me magana fo nyina achi. Oho de ho a wo na Ghana fo nyina ati. Ho na Ghana fo nyina kasa. Na ye papa Mr. Kwame Despite. Kwame, the meeting ya kan say me mana oda pa nyame ya duma ochina. Na masa kabio say Ghana mind danasi kofa bai. Na niso adi hunu kesiye, ejuma kesiye a odi abedum omayi Despite group of companies. Kwame, boni beka say when it comes to dissemination of information and as supply of information, educative programs, entertainment. Kwame, that's a group of companies. Mwajidin na penifose bekwin din fatana kono. Nese nintino. Na opanyina nyamena mneso. Edu nyina abedum Ghana maino. Drew a breath to say ya. The me meeting agina mention of addition nyina nemu aka say onyankopon won share ne ire ne ma ene abusua ne nyina ne nuanom na mo adwumayfo ne so nhia ne bi nka mo nyina na mo nkoso a ensum Ghana man yeda mo ase.
Yes, yeda ase pa na enkoma amafre wonne ene se enura ena ndisi amanyokuo no ene nipa bi oka ho ese ayawa so West Wogon asem ni si ye afinie enti wom koye memorial service bi ewo ho na ene ye baako di o ma di posifo ya ho pa ne se posifo issue statement se obi enkobo ade na wom ye ho ban ene nipa bi se Sam George se he posifo sa na mote mo amman tuya mo kase mo say ye mo ye ho ban ye kwa memorial service here enkrofo ko birim ye ko tututu obubo enkrofo yi mo se mo ye ho ban enu ye baako nti woso ni posifo obi kapa de tosu mienu government white paper on Ayawa so West Wogon violence no wose wo mbe siwa ban over the white paper adenti na publish here enkomo yi wo ye government assurance committee of parliament penimpa ye ntio de odwene fa ho
yo that's it. Kwame. The kind medi NDC for when ya ni teacher ye Ghana man penny dada John Dramani Mahama medina ho ya kase na me didi se ono an kasa so no wotina se no hwa na mo a wotu efa Ayawa so West to go by election and a commemorative event omo kokoko ye na Kwame ono an kasa so no ogu ne hu fin ogu ne ho animu ase ene na mayoko ene say boni beka ne say it brings memories na usha mama ye naro sufferings nipa no be cool mu as a result of by election to only Ayawa so West Wogon enti di kan anamona otu ye no ne nsem na okan ye no kire say oye opanyina odobi tan bi nenso no sabi wo yibi ego baby ena waka bi so ahye ne yam eno ne ade a baako a medi ne ho yaw na nka me hwe se emra o kasa no obekasa ye fa akwanya nso na ya hwede esiye ewo 2005 asawase by election edi minimum mutakaba parliament omu twitwe ni party set na ntwinam na nka owie na odi atiwade na odi bimbila no the talency na wa hihye no bia se bi ne ho aka mu no so ehunu se papa yi odwene ye nyina ho but ye hunu sa de no ho anu ye didika de to so mienu komi ama mpanyini dada ne NDC for emumra omu tie amra ne so edi na meka sa Ghana ye womra sabi ya to dini Public Order Act 1994 enhihye ye wo mu ne sese wo pese wo ye bibi de friend no special event of public interest public gathering kwame notify Ghana Police Service, which is the main law enforcement agency in this country, at least Emrano say clear 5 days kwame untimi ambushi a police for omunye nkwada Emrano go fidie bi so menua tetechai na me hwese asem na wo kano broni febibi correspondences de me kan ye ne de mu aye ba ye no communication ne tisen na nka me sebi anti age banka me ye more convinced no what me ankasa asihye ne se bako fama ne bo no be boy ye se o ye call East Legon divisional commander no ho no say na okan ye akwame ehu adanse ne de ewo NDC for ne ho two isanse wontimi mfa abegafo nye nkwa no na Ghana Police Service emra no ahye mu kna se yenyi wasute se na be ya police force so behwe won akade no ma ba bebo mo ho ban no na mo ntimi anya de no on time no police force kwan bia so so mo ka se se mu mfa anidie ma na mu mra ne dia ene mo ano chinku na mabọ no mo ntena ho nemum kwame niema mienu so na ewom baby a ekayema mpanyini dada ene omo a organizers of such event no ke bechi omo nyina gum because one tuma mo police for amane mo man ne yeni amedi akira it will be described as unlawful assembly, which is an offense under the Criminal Offences Act of this country. My penny that Mahama Cross,
ya chintu zuwaire.
But what you saying?
Ya chintu zuwaire.
Na kwame. Emrano say won't me Kaimrani ye na be when it comes to special events. Define a prescribed what constitutes special event or meetings of public interest. I was saying no based on the Public Order Act no. Bo police for money no almost when the DHA intelligence who say mo meye bibi boni bia. Na kwame emra no bia e wo ho. Wa mo ntimi nkonko hyiamu e wo public place. Wa bra o man no who notify o man through principal law enforcers. Ghana Police Service. A common course or honor. So police for ni bidin tete anase ni pafufuro bidin tete wonu say moko keka nsem bia emfa mo kwam yebetuma charge o mo nyina. Basa de America no NDC for adwen po ewo mo trimu ni say anytime bia no omo pese omo creating as if we are in the state of insecurity. Enti no ebasa na no manya akonya Ghana de sese de freedom of speech kura nya adwuma ni say ni nti ye say ye koshia mu kura no police for baba I say bo ma be hwie so hwie gu ye so sa anamo ni na no mo pese omo tu na wie pe ye ma wo mo no mo di gu o man ni nyina ho fi anything no mo kokko yes ade no ade o mo kokko ye yi sebi emfaso be pa na wo so bi edikan emfaso bi ani so tu mamemra commission of inquiry na o mo ka ho asem na minim kwame minim isan sempen for say boniba ekurati mu na wato ngumeboa hello kwame
PTO
say ben no sanity
say
kwame commission of inquiry under 1992 constitution no who the constitution is how they are na be down change there chapter 23 who the articles 278 to 283 and they dealing with a commission of inquiry bra kwame sebi Emrano any dao. Emrano any dao to say okay. Now, we share Article 5 of the Constitution now. Ube say President and the 2 million one by constitutional instrument, I would me appoint a commission of inquiry into any matter of public interest. Any matter of public interest. Come, when you did the kind, said, you take commission of inquiry. Now, commission of inquiry is so no. To me, constitution no, edia mano no. Any to me, constitution ko na dia Ghana man panyini no. Constitution no, any emrafo from Nasebe Jafo ya ye no. Enka no bebia we act 230 na. Enka no bebia say omo de omo recommendation eba e binding on the president. Kwame.
Oh sir, Edi
omo ni a lawyer for.
Edi anka no bebia say omo the recommendations ne ba aban eba me ehunu de womu.
Oh. Na Kwame. Eno nti no omo de ba based on the act no at the same time the constitution no said the American or man peninu issue the event white paper no on issue white paper na Kwame based on the recommendation no say ensem no bia be kan bia bro bia ensem fu bia be du bia be tuga obehwem say ba ko no ye satisfied Kwame eno no be kire say ha ye implement we aha no wo de ba na ojitum say there be nyansa ni ba ko fotiri mu a etini ade ya adwuma nye ya constitution no amanasa to me no the president is entangled by any law of this land sechinchina alpha findings made by commission of inquiry enye adwuma enti kwame etu baby aya na se bia ma yo se ma ye ni nti no eya na nimdia nipa no bia ko school anya no na omo dia to baby omo pense money adinti na omo dia to baby. Now if you look at me near Sam George na o2 anamo we say NDC enemy na ya be file suit e court attorney general office no they should go who kon wa ko waste se bi bench no time kwa because anamona wuji tumpa say it's not grounded in law in the first place. Etu kwame mesre ye koye nimu no lessons a ye nyina ye nya free ayawa so by elections no ene tiwa dia sebi na eno de na sefim former women's organizer of NDC. Miami Miaba, Anita Disoso. Kwame, Nipa Bochenku. Noane ka watim. Chifa nipa mu, manfo kam krofon temu bu. Moje pram krofon ma. Omo de de.
Sa semwe wa be ye no se ensi na nya no kro.
Kwame. Na we na no de waka no te enya ade na ye kokwa mu. Was public event. Eti nipa na ho no mu di ho adanse nipa na mu pra ya. Sa abre no. Menua ba abna asare mo nya ekokọ hwehwe sa nkrofo no. Enti no ensi ena ye mai ho so se ye kohwe nkrofo atabi omoda ayaresa bia. Ade na ya na ye yes ade no. Ade na ya yes a. Kwame ade no ye condemnable. E wo say yetime condemn ni nyina. Eno na me pese ye ntwi adwene si so. So we should not narrow the discussion to only I also where to go. Say how na Yakoba election violence see. And for me, the Omanpenida da any NDC for no a declaration of double standards and hypocrisy. Because violation no mokoko jina hono.
Okay,
yes, have populism no. Kwame, it's a big shame. Na me di wo ho ya na Ghana for do na di wo ho ya o. Isan say omo kai emusua bia as a result of by election. Ebi mu ahwere wo mo adehye. Ebi mu adehye ho akeka a ebesi ne aye kutwa kese deda wo ho. Yes, if it must be done, said the minianom Methodist worker, it must be done well. Eti Kwame, that is NDC for you. And your woman wakunyum omote abai musisia. Enti adie bia koso bia ye omotai. Adie besi bia no. Omo susu se ensi o ma breso ne de. Enyo se omo crucify adie esie no. Na maka no wa fidie so se omo adwene nyina ti se reserve players. Obo mpa so obi be pra na onya biabo. Enu nti no e ka omo nkono na ka oman na adane abutu sisi amene wo kase. Na ka breach abo man no. Sa adwempo na omo nya na omo nyae Kwame. Omo nyae enhira nim. Enhira bia nim. Eti sa omo se omo kokota. Me jitum say is much ado about nothing because yen tutu bingum na manfo hono say NDC ngui ye da so ho enanti no akwa o mapanyini dada woni mra titi amra so kwakọ boa nkrofo ano bia wabedi o man ne so pen na nsem a wo ka no ye nsem a eti akoma nsem na wo ka no ye nsem a edim papa mu ba o man
na ayi onabwe obi bisa se aya waso West Wogon se esiye ne nipa bi wo wa na ka esi etwe o maso o mram niema bi wo wa etimi se esiesie no a yenka ne se de esi wa tiwa nim yawo ya anya ho hwinti we mi anya ho hwe
Kwame eye me de now based on recommendation me short commission the buy Kwame se o ko ka se ye reprimand obi a ba be say yakọ school kakra ana let me know in the division uhuza
yeah Mr. Nsiao
yes to reprimand there Kwame me ma ka say jai ade we menye bio ma reprimand o unuza but I'm saying this before no brofo no tell ma dey almost to reprimand no as said to arrest the minim or to prosecute the minim enti no mo do mo say bobom panimfo bi so wabra metimi akansi su pain say empanimfo abobo mo national security operatives abobo mo di including Minia branch up for money na no Kwame share hatred. Let me tell you, he's a refined politician now. Obia we closer to him bia nim say we nipa bia we discipline. Now apart from that no so no onye bibia mfantia obia. Eden no benya firim. Ezo abodina keka. We ba ye no na ye bo me of akandapa so bo na ye all because ye bastardize national security no. To a sense na ensem o mkoke kan bi o violation no. Say I yen can scaffold national security. Can you imagine? Do you know what national security encapsulates? It encapsulates all. The name the any or mine state itself nankasa national security. It is a Ghana mine and I am born the secretary na yentumu baby dia or mo country. I mean sometimes I am maintaining your massy. All because yen kabingum ye tin kesu kokko into no de beba ye se bia dwenu bia yen fanto abontene. I don't think it's right. Kwame ya to aba e dia magana mampanyini Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. The manifesto odi MPP anim e ma ye koton ma Ghana for no Kwame it serves as a blueprint, it serves as a guide, it serves as a reference document. Kwame kofa ye manifesto 2016 next year sector by sector promises I can ye flagship promises and assurances de ma ye Kwame next year say emudia na we've reneged on our promise. And no need to measure a buying. And I'm of a firm belief, say, come what may, Yami the young Kwacha Yenia, Ghanaians are going to renew a mandate based on our delivery. A bit see your mind when that's a baby at on the home pine, say, more assessing in the friend results fair, no. Be it agency, departments, ministries, a buying this matome home pine, Mombra, Monto Santene, Timemum, mo be bisa yen say ade we mo say mo deliver the friend deliverables no enene de hene na we no sa policy we project we program we emfaso ben na yen ordinary people no yen sabeka kwame aban anana kufa dani ayesa ade we emfie mi ensene aban no say ensembo no unya opposition ni bia ma at least for the first time o me church niema we mu nka se macha se ye politics no ade a eye de eye ne bo man ni nyina se wo eya entino media me feel say we are focused enye NDC for any be detective pace for this government
okay
enye NDC for na e be kire ye de yenye pam
ni yasi manhia se eja dempa ye bi nominations yi enkrofo e contest won asem ketwa papers ni wo say manhia north is hot
pame eno ya no mokeka ne za kwa he pame akwada obewu no o de netu nyame chekro obewu okay sabi me me kai me ni apanyini kede je po kro bia fa forms on ho so ko contest no na anti ageba kwame na anti ageba enti no de what the thing dey say be baso na emumu no me so si ni trase no na woni asase ka kire no me nkrofo no kwame omu nim de wo memu ena omu nim
Okay.
Madjuma ma je.
Hey, me kai say last 4 years. Na obiri bo ahe ka kire wo say onim ne efiri soro ba nka wa hye dade eche okay.
Ame me kai. Me ofa. Na obiri bo be obi abecha no. Ame. Atiage ba ma bro.
E ma agro ne yedo ana.
Pajo say.
E ma agro ne yedo.
Ai wo say eye ene ne ke ma mi nka bi no. Ohun na emumu no. Onyuma bedi wachi me de say the party myself in my capacity as polling station chairman, myself in my capacity as ward secretary, from ward me na me secretary answer na be introduce electoral area concept no me na me secretary e o from men hia nyina me baba ye youth organizer kwame sante mantem ye communication
team no wo kai say ye call delegates conference bi wo ye party wa
jofe
nkrofo bi yes o mba bebu
kwame mini aufori ata toto bebi obi abitia
asema bako
kwame agro no de say na make no ho say yesi mu acho yemfie ni nkwani mu na emumu no adabe ka che panyini bi say ade mu na mo kire ye afi na mo sa de ba me so wa na mo kire bi say ya chief ye di say eti no but eni nyina no it's all good the minimum ne say the microphone no omo be repose their confidence in him once again because kwame abrantie me be di akonya na nim no dey kan a history say for the first time your chairman shiani mu no many sebi ma sebi dwani a obi betimi aka say you go into history as the first member of parliament for Menchianof. Kwame say no historic anameboa. Sa bakosem anameboa. Hello.
Minio.
Hello.
Minie metonka.
Pacho you ha. Enti Kwame communication team. Ansa na ye babeti communication team no. Na ye frey en prem. Public information management. Party. Many na mi home. Pisa many apanye sampai. Many kuma chire na many David or say wonya the baby call. Okay David.
Me kind of power free suta.
Yes.
Oh.
Any
owu amade wa bre nye ni David.
Wa bre radio fa the currency yi. Ne menu Gideon mo na menu Kosiche mu nyina e baba beto mi sebi
Kosiche mbato
Kwame
ya masafu Kosiche
wow the director of communication
minimpa
Kwame o de frɛ Sam Kujo na frɛ Chairman to na frɛ Victor Wusu
hey na bi to so
Energy Commission nefre miame ofa kandapa nefre miame papa Robert Usu Amankwa former regional chairman Asante region obeka cho say ye bayi die wono de ye fam kiti o etikwame ana meka say unyuma bedi wachi obi wo no ba contester ene wo fa bibra wa bo no de ba oti me maami ye we papa ye we ba ye de sebi abu libya nyame prana ye dia kaza na yaba ye didi akira ana yankofo wado mode yaba be drusi adwuma no so ye nwi esanse me ne Ghana mampanyini ye nyina na ye candidates ye pontoa ye di nkonim ene Ghana mampanyini nim se na adwuma wa ye you dare not contesting him internally because wa ye adwuma aso party ni nyinaa nti nana college no na me Usu Amankwa me so kura ni biam na me ne nyinaa ko kwa me je ti
mate any medal se pa
Okay FM 101.7